Facts circling the internet. Animal migration rumors. Viral videos claim mass exodus of bison, elk, bears, etc. from Yellowstone, suggesting an imminent volcanic eruption. Official confirmation, the National Park Service, NPS, says these are AI-generated or satirical, and there is no large-scale wildlife migration happening this summer. Wildlife biologists confirm seasonal migration occurs mainly in winter, not summer. Yellowstone status and monitoring. Yellowstone sits atop a massive caldera formed 640,000 years ago, Lava Creek eruption. A smaller magmatic event occurred about 70,000 years ago. The Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, YVO, monitors the area and currently classifies hazard level as normal green. USGS states the annual eruption probability is about 0.01%, possibly even lower short term. Scientific findings. Magma cap instability. Recent studies reveal a breathing magma cap, 3 to 8 kilometer depth, that acts as a vent, releasing pressure slowly and staving off a catastrophic eruption. That cap means the system is venting and remains stable. Current gas levels are not eruption triggering. Myths and misinformation. 1. Animals fleeing due to volcano. Proven false. Animals follow seasonal patterns, and viral footage is from other areas, like Bear Country, USA and South Dakota. 2. Supervolcano about to blow. No scientific evidence supports this. No uptick in seismicity, deformation, gas emissions, or magma volume. 3. Yellowstone is overdue. Though the last super eruption was 630,000 years ago, these events are not clock-like. USGS dismisses the idea of an overdue eruption. 4. It'll trigger other disasters or a new ice age. There's no sign of that imminent chain reaction. Models show temperature drops possible, but only if a super eruption occurred, and that's not on the horizon. While Yellowstone isn't erupting soon, the magma chamber is mostly solidified, containing only 6 to 8% molten material. No swelling or seismic swarms beyond normal background levels. The magma cap allows degassing, which actively prevents pressure buildup. Annual eruption probability is extremely low, 14%, 0, 1%. If it did erupt, what could happen? Type: a super eruption, massive caldera collapse, widespread pyroclastic flows, and ash fallout. 2. Immediate kill zone. Surrounding states, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, possibly parts of Colorado and Utah, would experience devastation from pyroclastic flows, ground loss, and volcanic winds. 3. Mid-range zones. Ash fallout would extend across the U.S. interior, reaching Great Plains to Mississippi, causing roof collapse, infrastructure failure, crop loss. 4. Global impact. Global temperatures drop an estimated 4 degrees C average, up to 7 degrees C over land, more in central North America, for 1 to several years. 5. Hearing, seeing the blast. Initial blast would be seen, heard by all within hundreds of kilometers, possibly reaching 2,000 plus kilometers. Ash clouds would obstruct light long before. Broader context. Is Yellowstone the biggest? Yellowstone is one of Earth's largest volcanic systems. Multiple calderas, 4,000 kilometers of partially molten material. Not the world's largest supervolcano. Others like Toba, Indonesia, and La Picana, Chile, have comparable or greater size. Warning signs and monitoring triggers. Scientists watch for: large sustained uplift. GPS detects MMCM year. Seismic swarms, especially deep, long-period quakes. Increases in volcanic gas emissions, e.g. CO2, SO2. Thermal anomalies at hydrothermal features. None of these indicators have shown unusual activity. The system remains calm and normal. So, should we worry? Short answer, no. Yellowstone shows no credible signs of imminent eruption. Scientific consensus: improbable during our lifetimes. Risks are overshadowed by other natural hazards. Monitoring is ongoing, and should any alarming changes occur, warnings would be issued well in advance. And the idea Yellowstone is about to blow is basically internet hype. Those videos of animals fleeing are AI or staged. They're not leaving due to volcanic threat. Scientists, USGS, YVO, NPS, have said the volcano's alert level remains normal. There's no unusual seismic activity or ground swelling, and the magma chamber is largely solid. Recent studies reveal a gas-venting magma cap that keeps pressure in check. The odds of a super eruption any year are super tiny, like 0.01%, or an even lower 0.014%, and there are zero current signs of it preparing to erupt. If it did go off, on an unimaginably rare super eruption scale, it could reset global climate, devastate the U.S. interior, and kill life locally. But again, that's theoretical and not soon. Yellowstone is massive and geologically active, but not a ticking time bomb. We should monitor, not panic. Sources: Animal Migration and Debunking, NPS, ABC News, People, etc. USGS volcano status, eruption probability, magma solidification. USGS FAQs, magma cap research and annual risk. Live Science, The Scottish Sun summary. Eruption consequences, ash climate impact. Science focus, Wikipedia on catastrophes, Yellowstone structure, history, magma volume, Wikipedia. Bottom line, there is zero scientific backing for any imminent eruption. The majority of claims online are misleading or false. Yellowstone remains a watch point, but a peaceful one, not a ticking time bomb. Dear followers of mine, I hope this video may calm your anxiety. We are not in any kind of danger. Not in the immediate, nor does it seem for many generations. Be careful what you watch online. These AI-generated images can fool even the smartest of people. But that is all for now. I love you all. This is Michael Leonard signing off.